Hey there, science fans. Today, we're taking a three-dimensional journey into the incredible world of the female reproductive system. It's a fascinating system of organs that work together to make babies, and it's way cooler than you might think. Imagine a complex network of tunnels and chambers, all working together in perfect harmony. That's kind of what the female reproductive system is like. It's a bit like a secret garden hidden inside the body where life itself can begin. We'll be using our imaginations to picture these organs in 3 dimensions, seeing how they fit together and how they function. Get ready to be amazed by the power and complexity of the female body. So, buckle up, science explorers. We're about to dive into the fascinating world of the female reproductive system, where tiny cells can grow into bouncing babies. Let's go. Our first stop on this 3-dimensional adventure is the ovaries. Picture 2 small oval-shaped organs about the size and shape of almonds. They sit on either side of the uterus, like 2 tiny pods nestled in a garden. So, Chayur.
Now, these ovaries are super important. They are like tiny factories that produce eggs, the female reproductive cells. Each ovary contains thousands of microscopic eggs just waiting for their chance to be released. Think of each egg as a tiny treasure chest, holding half the genetic information needed to create a new human being. The other half, of course, comes from the sperm cell, the male reproductive cell.
But here's the amazing part. Females are born with all the eggs they will ever have. It's like getting a lifetime supply of potential humans right from the start. Pretty cool, huh? Next up, we travel to the fallopian tubes. Imagine 2 thin tubes about 4 inches long, extending from each ovary towards the uterus. They are like delicate superhighways designed for transporting those precious eggs we talked about. Once a month, one of the ovaries releases a mature egg into the fallopian tube. It's like a tiny traveler embarking on an exciting journey. The egg is swept along by tiny hair-like structures called cilia, which line the walls of the fallopian tube. Now here's where things get really interesting. If a sperm cell happens to be traveling through the fallopian tube at the same time, fertilization can occur. That's right. The sperm and egg can meet and combine their genetic material, creating a zygote, the very first cell of a new human being. The fallopian tubes are like the perfect meeting place for these tiny travelers, a crucial intersection on the road to creating new life.
Section 4, Uterus, the potential home for a growing baby. Our final destination on this 3D tour is the uterus, also known as the womb. Imagine a hollow, pear-shaped organ about the size of a fist located in the lower abdomen. This is where the real magic happens. If fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube, the zygote continues its journey to the uterus. The uterus is like a cozy, nurturing nest with thick, muscular walls designed to expand and accommodate a growing baby. The inner lining of the uterus, called the endometrium, is rich in blood vessels and nutrients. It's like a fertile garden, ready to provide nourishment to a developing embryo. If an embryo implants in the uterine lining, a pregnancy begins. But if fertilization doesn't occur, the uterine lining sheds during menstruation. It's like the uterus hitting the reset button, preparing for the possibility of a new cycle of life.
Section 5, the menstrual cycle, a monthly symphony of hormones. Now, let's talk about the menstrual cycle, a fascinating symphony of hormones that governs the female reproductive system. It's like a monthly rhythm, controlled by the brain and the ovaries. Think of it like a delicate dance between different hormones, each playing a crucial role in preparing the body for pregnancy. The menstrual cycle typically lasts about 28 days, but it can vary from person to person. During the menstrual cycle, the lining of the uterus thickens in preparation for a fertilized egg. If fertilization doesn't occur, the lining sheds, resulting in menstruation, also known as a period. The menstrual cycle is a natural and healthy part of being female. It's a sign that the reproductive system is working properly, preparing the body for the possibility of pregnancy.
Section 6. Fun facts about the female reproductive system. Ready for some fun facts about the female reproductive system? Here are a few mind-blowing tidbits.
Did you know that a female baby is born with about 1 million eggs in her ovaries? That's a lot of potential humans.
The fallopian tubes are only about the width of a strand of hair. It's amazing to think that something so small can play such a crucial role in fertilization.
The uterus can expand to over 500 times its normal size during pregnancy. That's like a small pear growing to the size of a watermelon. The female reproductive system is a marvel of nature, a complex and efficient system that makes life possible. It's a testament to the incredible power of the human body.
Section 7. Wrapping up our 3D journey. Well, science fans, that concludes our 3D journey into the amazing world of the female reproductive system. We've explored the intricate organs, from the tiny egg factories of the ovaries to the potential home for a growing baby, the uterus. We've learned about the fallopian tubes, those delicate superhighways for tiny travelers, and the menstrual cycle, a monthly symphony of hormones that governs it all. Remember, the female reproductive system is a marvel of nature, a complex and efficient system that makes life possible. It's something to be celebrated and understood. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep being curious about the world around you, especially the incredible world inside you.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.